Have you ever wanted to create AI videos but didn't know where to start? In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to easily create AI videos with voiceovers. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can help you rewrite content and create unique scripts for your videos. And with the help of a new AI tool called Pictory, you can turn those scripts into faceless videos with voiceovers in just a few minutes. Let's start by looking at an AI video channel on YouTube with over 366,000 subscribers. These videos are faceless but have great voiceovers, and they are doing very well in terms of views and engagement. As you can see, these videos have great content and are edited to include images, clips, and affiliate links. If you have the time to do all that, you can build a great channel like this. But if you want to create videos quickly, we'll show you how to do that too. To get started, you'll need to download two Chrome extensions, Apron and YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Apron gives you prompts for content creation, and YouTube Summary with ChatGPT lets you copy video transcripts for rewriting. Once you have the transcript, paste it into ChatGPT and choose the writing style and tone you want. ChatGPT will then rewrite the transcript into a unique script that you can use for your own video. Next, head over to Pictory, an AI video tool that lets you create videos by simply pasting in your script. You can choose from a variety of video templates and customize them with your own images and clips. Once you're done, download your video and upload it to your channel. It's that easy. And that's how you can create AI videos easily and quickly using ChatGPT and Pictory. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also check out the links in the description to check out the apps and tools mentioned. Thanks for watching.